Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we are opening up a Walmart beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right, guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening another Walmart beauty box. Now, for those of you who don't know, Walmart beauty box is basically almost free. What it is it's a beauty box that comes every season. So this one, I believe, and I'll figure it out, I think it's either the fall or the winter. I've noticed that they've been a little bit delayed, so that could be why. But this is just $5. So you basically, it's free samples and you're basically just paying for the shipping, or you're just paying $5 for all the stuff. It depends on how you look at it. So like I said, this comes out 4 times a year. In the box, it usually tells you which box this is. So it'll be in the title too, because I don't know which box this is. I believe it's fall, like I said, not too sure. But I like this box. Kind of initially wasn't going to get it, but it's only $5, so I totally am all here for that, for $5, right? If you get this box, definitely let me know in the comment section below if you do get this box. Super curious as to if you guys dig this one. All right, so every season, like I said, it comes in this box right here, and then everything is stuffed in the box. So this is what we have here so far, and it has a little booklet, so we're going to see if it tells me here. It does not tell me, but like I said, I'm sure that this is the fall Walmart beauty box. I'll look at my last video because been doing these videos for a couple seasons so far. So sure, this is fall. I'm sure this is fall. I've noticed like I said, they're a little bit delayed, and I am excited because this is actually a curl box. So if you have curly hair like I do, then this is the box that you want to get. So I am here for it. If you guys haven't noticed, or if you haven't checked out, definitely check out my blog. I've been blogging that starting in August, I started my transition going back to my natural hair curls. So I am in transition of kind of getting I've straightened my hair so long that the bottom ends of my hair, they don't know what to do themselves. So my hair is like half straight, half curly. So I'm in that transition phase. So if you want to see how to get your hair back into its natural state, definitely check out my blog, because this box is going to coincide with everything that's on my hair section of my blog. So definitely check that out if you haven't. All right, so let's dive in and see what all is in here. And let me see. And it tells you the full size price. So that's another good thing. So if you like any of these products, you can just go to Walmart and check those out. And on my blog, I'll have the full listing of all these products if you want to check that out. So we'll start from the smallest thing, and then we'll work our way back. We'll work our way to the biggest thing here. All right, so the smallest thing here is from NYX. And this is, this is NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. So this buttery, soft, silky, smooth gloss delivers sheer to medium coverage in fab fall shades. So this is the fall box, guys. We just figured it out. Never sticky and always supple. It stays put and won't feather. This is the full size version of it, which is $5. So let's see if I can get the wrapping off so that we can see how this swatches here. Perfect. It totally opened up. I was afraid of that. Okay, so this is how that looks there. So this should be a fall color, so we shall see if it's fall. Oh, it definitely is fall. So I would definitely rock this in the winter right now. So that's definitely my color. I like those kind of colors in the fall, especially like with a turtleneck or something like that. I'm in Texas, so it doesn't get all that extremely cold, so it's not that serious, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so the next thing we have here, we'll go with this. So this is, and I love coconut oil. So this is coconut oil formula. This is body lotion. So this, for the full size version of this, it would be $5.28. So this is Palmer's Coconut Formula Body Lotion. This is Glow for the fall. This lotion deeply hydrates and restores for radiant, healthy looking skin, made with ethically sustainably sourced coconut oil and Tahitian monos. So again, I've tried this brand before. I love it. So yeah, I'm trying to see. Yeah, so I've Haven't tried this one specifically, but Palmer's, I'm sure you guys have heard of Palmer's before. I've tried their products before and I definitely love them. All right, so the next thing we have here is, so this is Earth Supply Textured Hair Care. This is Butter Rich Deep Treatment Mask. I love masks, guys. This has no sulfate, silicone, parabens, or mineral oil, 25% shea butter. So those are all the ingredients I actually avoid for my hair, because like I said, when you're transitioning, and my blog talks about it, when you're transitioning to hair to its natural state, you don't want to put those harsh chemicals. So you do want to stay away from shampoos that or any hair care products that do have sulfates, silicones, parabens, and things like that, because that does damage your hair and it doesn't let itself get into that natural state. All right, so it says this season replenish, moisture, detangle, soften, and repair coils and curls. This rinse out formula helps restore elasticity and manageability so damaged dry hair shines. So this is actually the full size of the mask, and this is typical. This is $1.98. So like I said, this is perfect because that's usually what you would get if you're buying it individual. I usually get like the jug of hair mask because I'm always putting a deep conditioner in my hair every week. So, but this is perfect if you kind of want to go away and try something different. This gives you like a good thing to put in your hair. A good difference, I guess, you can put in your hair. All right, so the next thing we have here is Oil Miracle. This is super hold and smooth edges. So this is anti-breakage formula. So that is what that looks like. And then let me see, made for all hair updos. So this non-greasy drip-free edger gel slicks hard to hold edges for long-lasting natural and straight styles. Plus it conditions, hydrates, and repairs hair. Now, this is going to be actually perfect because my son actually has curly hair too. So he has like, his hair is curly at the top and he has a short on the bottom, and he always is trying to look fresh to death. So he's always putting his hair and putting hair gels in his hair to hold. I don't put hair gel in my hair as much because because I work from home, I don't really go out to put hair gel, but my son puts hair gel in his hair every day. So he's gonna definitely get use out of this one. So I'm definitely gonna share this one with him. And it says the full size, which I would say, it says oh yeah, this is the full size version of it. So the full size version, which is this, so you got full size. This is $254 if you were buying it separately. And if you think about it, that's half the box right there. Then the last but not least, this is, okay, Aunt Jackie's Curl La La, this is, what is this? Enriched shea butter and olive. This is a defining curl custard. Okay, let me just first off say I've been using Aunt Jackie's, and I had to look at it because I almost forgot. Deep conditioning mask every weekend when I do my hair wash, when it's my wash day. Let me just say that thing smells, it smells so good. So if you haven't tried any of Aunt Jackie's products, you guys got to check that out. So this is what I've been using is a deep conditioner, and I leave that on my hair for like 10 minutes each wash day. But yeah, their hair care products smell really good. And the jug, I'm actually going to do another video, but I'm just going to give you guys an example. The jug of deep conditioner, it actually looks almost as big as this Bath & Body candle. That's how big that jug conditioner is. So it's going to take me some time to get into it or finish it up, but it's worth the price because it lasts you don't need a lot, but it lasts a long time. All right, so this says here, it says turn heads with stunning spirals for fall. These products hydrate, shape, and control curls and long-lasting, bouncy, shiny, defined coils, all without flaking or caking. Receive one. Are they all? They're not full size. Okay, I was making sure. So you're gonna receive one. You could have either received Coconut Cream Curl Boss, Flaxseed Don't Shrink, or Curl La La full size, which is what I have here. So this, if I had the full size, would be $6. Their products are not expensive at all. So, and it has like a thing if you liked it. I gotta say, out of all the Walmart beauty boxes, this has been the best one, worth it, because I can actually use all of the products here because, like I said, I'm in that transition for curly hair. So if you have curly hair and you're not too sure if you should have gotten this, I'm telling you, this is the one that you want to go grab before they have nothing else. So let us do a recap and see what all came in this box this season. So like I said, we have the mask here. We have the edge styler here. We have our Curl La La for curly. Get your curl. That's just basically it's like kind of like gel, but it doesn't have a strong hold. And then the body lotion, and then last but not least, ooh, almost lost it. We have our lip shine there, you can see it. All right, so that is everything in the Walmart Beauty Box for this season. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you've tried any of these products. Like I said, the only brand I've tried, well, I've tried some of the brands here, but not any of these specific products, but I'm definitely excited to try them. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of the Walmart box this season. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.